What's up, world? Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, Go Wickless with Ross. This video is really a spur of the moment video. I wasn't gonna make a video about what I'm about to tell you, but I feel that it's important for some of you, maybe all of you, to know what this business can do. Something just happened. I am right outside the dealership where we bought one of our cars, and I just paid off my car in full because of Scentsy. And not only did I do that, but I did that cash 3 months before the final payment, and I have a receipt here to show that. Paid in full, you guys. You see that? Paid in full. So this business is making things happen for me. Is it easy? Does it come without putting the work in? Absolutely not. You have to put the hours, and you have to put the work in, and you have to treat this as a business if you want it to be fruitful. It doesn't have to be. You can very well just join, make it, just a hobby for you, which is where I started. And that's it. All you have to do is sell $200 every 3 months, get your discount, and that might be the way for you. And that's absolutely fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But this video is to tell you that I will never forget this moment, because when I got here, I took this business full on, and I've worked my tail off, and I had a goal, and my goal was to make this my full time. I stopped my regular job when we moved because I wanted to have the freedom to spend with my family. I didn't want to be working the long hours anymore. I didn't want to take time away from my daughter and my family. And so this is where I am. And to see that in only a few months I'm able, because I have time to put my work in, and I'm so passionate about this business, and I see the results. So like I said, I wasn't sure about posting this video because results are going to be different from everybody, but I'm here to tell you that if you love our products, nothing is there to stop you but yourself. This can be a business if you treat it as such. And it's a beautiful thing. The freedom that comes with it is incredible. A lot of times, I hear some of the people when I put out there the business opportunity, they say, "Oh, I'm not a salesperson." Let me tell you something. In the past probably 4 months, I've met at least 3 people in my neighborhood that never try Scentsy, and now they're completely addicted to it. So the point is that unless you put yourself out there and you show the product, I didn't knock on their door and sell the products to them. I just shared it. They came to the house. They said, "Wow, your house smells amazing," because I used the products. And then they started asking questions, and then I showed them the product. It wasn't me knocking on their door or sending them a message. I'm like, "You need to try it." I simply shared it, and they saw the amazingness by themselves. So there are so many people out there that don't know about this opportunity, you guys, because nobody took the time to share it with them. So don't take for granted that everybody knows about Scentsy, because that's not true. I'm telling you, that's not true. There is at least one person that I know of on our team who was an avid Scentsy customer, but it wasn't until I put the business opportunity in front of her that she's like, oh my God, why did I not think of this? And her family had no idea what Scentsy was. So she is rocking her business because of that. So I'm telling you, it's still a great opportunity. The business is not saturated. And for the ones of you who say, oh, there are so many Scentsy consultants in my area, think about this. How many nail techs do you have in your area? How many hairdressers do you have in your area? How many car dealerships do you have in your area? But that doesn't stop them from being, 20 meters from each other. It doesn't matter how many people you have, how many Scentsy consultants are next door to you, because first off, who is actually actively working the business out of those consultants? And second, how many people do you know that they don't know? Don't limit yourself to the little circle of friends that you have in your neighborhood, that you have in your city, that you have in your small town. Branch outside. I'm telling you, there are so many people that still don't know about this changing life opportunity. And like I said, there is absolutely nothing wrong with just being an amazing customer and use our products. But if you are one of those that does that all the time, and on a monthly basis, or maybe twice a month, or maybe even 3 times a month, you keep coming to me and buy products from me, guess what? You are paying me, which I'm not complaining about, but you could actually pay yourself. You could still get the free products. You could still change lives, and you could make a paycheck out of that. So think about it, guys. This is a business opportunity. I will never forget this moment. It's just mind-blowing that I decided to stop my full-time job. I thought that was the only way for me to go, and I just paid off my car without taking any money away from my bank account. This is all Scentsy money. I'm like shaking over here. This is all Scentsy money, you guys. And like I said, results are not typical. I shouldn't have put makeup on. But it's true. For some of you, it might take longer than others, and that's fine. There is no time limit on how successful you can be with this business. But I'm telling you that if you want to make it a thing, it can be a thing. You have to put the hard work in. You have to put the hours. I will be there to make sure that you're not doing this alone. I'm growing because our team is growing. This is a team effort. I can't do this by myself. So it's because of all of you, my amazing customers and friends that help me. It's because of my amazing team that's rocking. So let's chat. If you think that you can do this and you have questions about it, I'm telling you, this can be you. And this is just the beginning. So sorry guys, like I said, I wasn't sure about making this video, but I think it's important for you to know that this can be a thing, and it has been for me. I'm right out here and I show you the receipt. This is real. So let's make it happen. Let's just rock this business, because we can and we will. All right, if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Share my YouTube video if you think this will benefit your team. By all means, share it with them. This is by no stretch of the imagination just for my close friends. This is truly for all of you out there who maybe are finding yourself in those tight situations where maybe you just want to have a date night with your husband. that's fine. Maybe you want to pay a water bill. Maybe you want to pay off your car. It doesn't matter what your goal is. It could be very small. It could be really big. Like I said, it could be simply for the discount. But whatever it is, you can make it happen. So it is possible, and that's what this video is about. If you want to do it, if you care about our products, if you tried our products, or if you're in some sort of death of any kind and you're trying to get a way out of it, let me know, because this can be your answer. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.